Thanks for joining us today on the Garagisic YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a very, very popular Garagistic item, and that's the E30 rear strut bar. And that's the Garagistic E30 front strut bar. Now these strut bars are great bang for buck because what they do is they make it so that your strut towers do not keep flexing in and out. And on a car as old as the E30 that was kind of flimsy from the factory, this can be a great help with handling. It will definitely increase front end grip, as well as be kind of a preventative maintenance from, potholes and items, on the road that can damage your car and its chassis. A common thing for installing these is that we basically build these to the factory spec. Now, what we ended up finding out was that basically the strut towers on E30s in this time, at their age right now, they actually move quite a bit, and it's not something minimal. I mean, it could be up to a 1/4 inch. So our common phone call that we usually get is the strut bar doesn't fit. And then we're going to show you basically ways that they either will fit, or with some slight, installation tips that you can get it to fit on there easier. Now, if you end up basically taking this bar and you end up dropping it in and it drops right in, then great. Your E30 is in great condition and it's meeting factory spec. Now, if the bar appears to be too long, which means that your strut towers have moved in, well, that means you have to pull them out somehow. And it's not as hard as it seems. All you have to do is lift the car from its front subframe. And what you end up allowing it to do is actually relax. And you can end up leaving it to about 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes it takes longer. And then when you come to put the bar on, it will actually fit because those strut towers have moved. So that's very helpful if you find the bar is too long. You'll just know that your strut towers have moved in. Now, there is a flip side. Sometimes it's the other way around, where your strut towers have somehow moved, maybe one, maybe the other, but they're further out and the bar appears to be too small. That one also can be relieved with a very easy installation tip. All you have to do is lift the car by one side. So you can safely jack it up by one of the frames, and basically what you officially end up doing is squeezing the strut towers in and then putting the bar on. And basically, those are the two major ways to be able to get your Garagistic E30 strut bar on your car. Thanks for watching.